This is care for short, and today we're just going to be going through the Drupal basics and basically how, not Drupal basics, sorry, basically Drupal Views. It basically is a better way to format your data, so it's more consumable and you're able to filter and search through it via field and the unique fields and traits. So as you can see here, we have our content type courses, and this is what it looks like currently, and you can filter it or whatnot via location, teacher's ID, or course name. So we're going to be doing that, but with the other two content types, we have faculty and rooms. So let's go do that. So here we just go views. If you want to add a view, you can do that. That's not the way I did it, but basically you can go through and, do create a page. You can also create a menu link, so it'll go in the main navigation. But basically, starting off, so here we have faculty. Basically, we already created it, but we want to add the fields and I'm having a stroke. What's the word? Add the fields and okay. 1, 2, 3, start again. So we just want to add the fields, and so basically we're gonna go over here. So we want to add the fields. So basically we just want to go over here where the add button is and fields. It's formatted really weirdly and it looks kind of ugly, but it's like that in order to make your data more pretty, I guess, or more consumable. So it's kind of funny. But you just go here and you press add, and from here it'll give you all the fields that are available, and you can kind of search up. So yeah, if this is faculty, it'll say oh, this appears in faculty. So we're gonna click that. We want the faculty ID, we want the name, we want the PSU ID, right? So here we go, and if we add that, it's gonna go through each one and ask oh, do you wanna create a label? And what do you wanna call it? You can change stylings and stuff. If you wanna be more fancy, we're just gonna do something simple right now, so we're not gonna do that. So for each one, we're just gonna go ahead and click apply. And from there, let's save. And here you can see the fields were added. And so if we scroll down, our table will now have all the different fields that we added. Oh, that's repetitive, but you can double check depending on, but yeah. So this is what it will look like. If you want to view the page, you can press here. And as we previously had, there's links and stuff so you can see reference to entities. There you go. So that's how we did this one. So let's move on and do our rooms, right? So we can just press views. Rooms is right here. So edit, add fields, and we want to do room. So room, sorry. So basically we want building, we want campus, and we want room number. Yes, and we can add and configure fields. So we're currently just going to keep it basic and just not configure them, just add them default. And so here it is, what it is as a whole, the building, the campus, and the room number. And so that's how you kind of format views, is the way you kind of format your data. You can definitely make it more fancy and pretty. Ooh, I forgot to save. My bad. So once you save, it should change. So there you go. And yeah, so that's how we did that. I mentioned the add a menu page. It's basically that. And if you go to if they come out of order, you can press structure, go to menus, and then edit main navigation, and you should be able to rearrange them as you want. So basically that is it for basic views, and basically just, formatting data better so it's more manageable in the long run, especially when you have, especially when you have more data from many users just flowing in that you can't really yep, I have a stroke. Multiple users and ever-growing databases. Dang. Anyways, that is it for basic Drupal views. Have a nice one. Thank you for watching. See you later.